Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a lens flare effect. At the end of this video you will be able to create this effect yourself. First of all, you need to open one picture, file, open, select one picture, then go to file, new, set the width, height and resolution, then select OK. Go to the original picture, select all, edit, copy, go to this, edit, paste, press Ctrl T from the keyboard, and fit this here. Press enter. Now set the picture. Right click on this layer, merge down. There should be one layer. Now create a new layer by clicking here. Click here to set this to black and white color. Select paint bucket tool and fill black color here. Now go to filter, render, lens flare. You can increase the brightness from here or decrease. It is up to you what kind of lens flare you want. I set this to 100. There are lens types. You can see different lenses are here. You can select any of it. Select OK. Now change this from normal to screen. Click here, screen. You can change the color of the lens flare. If you want to change the color of the lens flare, go to image, adjustment, hue or saturation, or you can press Ctrl U from the keyboard, which is the shortcut of hue or saturation. Select colorize, set the saturation to 100%, and you can change the color from here. Select OK, and now select this layer and create a new layer by clicking here. Select rectangular marquee tool, select the area of face, right click here and click on feather. Set the feather according to the resolution of picture. I set this to 60 and select OK. Now go to select and click on inverse, or you can also press Ctrl Shift I, which is the shortcut of inverse. Now select eyedropper tool and select one color from here. Select the color that you like. I select this color, then go to paint bucket tool and select this and click here. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard or go to select, deselect. Now change the opacity. Click here, decrease it. This is the original picture and these are the effects.